guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create some really easy holiday outfit ideas, and today's video is actually a collab with JESS. So she's going to be showing you guys how to create a really pretty, just classic holiday makeup look, and then I'm going to be showing you guys some outfit ideas. The outfits that I decided to show you guys are things that I would actually wear if I were going somewhere for the holidays. I know some people do really like fancy, dressy things for the holidays, but for us, it's usually really casual. Like, it's not uncommon for me to stay in my pajamas all day. But I did try to show you a couple different types of outfits. One's a little bit more dressy, some of them are more casual, but also like the pieces are really easy to mix and match. And like for the outfit that I have on right now, I actually showed you two different variations of it. So like this one's with blacks and grays, and then the other outfit is like the same exact thing but with browns and warmer tones. So I tried to show you guys a variety of options. Obviously, like there's so many different things that you could wear for the holidays, so this just pretty much skims the surface of holiday outfit ideas, but I hope that it gives you guys a little bit of inspiration. So like I said, Jess is going to be showing you guys how to create a holiday makeup look, so definitely watch her video if you're going to a Christmas party or something this year and you need some ideas, and then keep on watching if you want some outfit ideas.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really tried to keep it super simple and just to give you some inspiration for holiday outfits, but I tried to also create things that you guys could easily replicate with items that you already have in your wardrobe. So this is just giving you guys a little bit of inspiration. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Also, again, make sure you guys go ahead and watch Jess's video if you want some holiday makeup ideas. So I know that I don't do outfit videos like this as much as I used to, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want me to start doing them more. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. So that's all that I got for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!